Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 11, Part B. So we just completed Part A and we found that D was the correct answer for Part A. And now we want to look at Part B. So Part B says, what is the price of a hot dog in dollars at the restaurant? Enter your answer in the space provided. So we already seen that 3 hot dogs and 1 pretzel each equals $12.25, which is this first equation. And Sylvia had 2 hot dogs and 4 pretzels for $16.50. So that's the second equation. So to solve a system of equations, you have to get either rid of one variable using elimination, or you have to solve for one variable using substitution and plug it into the other one. So looking at this system, I'm going to decide to use elimination. So I'm going to bring it up here where I have a little bit more room to write. So all I'm doing is copying it over right now. All right, now I have my variables lined up and I have my numbers lined up so I can see what I need to do to solve. So I have a 3 and a 2 and a 1 and a 4. And to use elimination, I need a plus and minus of the same number for the same variable. So it doesn't matter which variable we choose to work with. So let's choose -4 here because that's easy to multiply by 1. -4 and +4 will cancel, so that will be good. So we're going to take the top equation and multiply the whole thing by 4. So 4 times 3 will be 12h, and then plus 4p, and then 4 times 1225 is 49. All right, now that we have that set up, we can subtract all the way across. So when we subtract, we want to subtract because this is positive. I should have multiplied by -4, but I multiplied by 4. So if we multiply by -1, it just changes all the signs here. All right, and when I do that, then I just rewrote this top equation as an equivalent form right here. So now I can add these two together, and that will cause my p's to eliminate. So 2h minus 12 is -10h. 4 and -4 cancel, which is what we want. And then we've got 1650 minus 49 is -3250. And then I'm going to divide each side by -10. So h is equal to $3.25. So that means 1 hot dog is equal to $3.25. All right, so do we need to solve for pretzels? In this case, we don't have to. If you solve for pretzels first, then you would have to plug it back in and find how much the hot dog is. So we'll go ahead and solve for pretzels, but it says, what is the price of a hot dog in dollars at the restaurant? All right, so in the blank, we're going to put $3.25. All right, so just to finish the problem, in case another question on the EOC, you have to finish it, you want to make sure you know how to do that. So we're going to take $3.25 and just plug it in for one of the equations. So if I go up here, I can say 3 times $3.25 plus 1p is equal to $12.25. All right, and then I know that 3 times 325 is 975, so I'm going to have 975 and then I'm going to subtract 975 from both sides. So P, or 1P, equals $12.25 minus $9.75, which is $2.50. So if the question said, what is the price of pretzels? You would put $2.50. In this case, it asked for hot dogs. So number 11, part B, is $3.25.